Hi, it's Tina Sibley, and in this video we're going to have a look at how you configure your WordPress website. The last few videos we've looked at buying a domain name, setting up your web hosting, and then finally installing WordPress into your HostGator web hosting account. And what you ended up with was something that looked a bit like this. Now obviously we want to change this to get it looking how we want, but before we start playing around with design, there are a few things that we have to do. So first of all, go to your dashboard, and just as a reminder to get there, if you just type in your domain name followed by /wp-admin, that will take you to your dashboard. First couple of times you do this, you may have to put in your WordPress login details and your password, but if you tick remember me, in future it will always go straight to your dashboard. To make life easier, you want to keep having a little look at what you've done to see how it looks. So as well as your dashboard, I always set up a new tab with the actual page itself. So once you've done that, what's a good idea is to go first of all to your settings. At the moment you'll see that there's one post and one page which is automatically set up, and we want to change all that and have our own posts and pages in there. So go to settings, and once you get there, one of the first things that's a good idea to do is set up permalinks. Now permalinks are what comes up in the browser, and generally if you don't set them and you use the default ones, you just get a list of silly numbers after your domain name. So you need to go to settings, and that opens up this menu here, and then click on permalinks. And then what you're going to do is, instead of the default, and like I said, what you do is you get your domain name followed by these kind of funny little numbers here. We just want it to be homepage or about or whatever page you happen to be on, or post if it's a blog. So go down to custom structure and select that, and then type in /% post name, and then end it with percentage and / again. And once you've done that, remember to save your changes. And that means that every page or post from now on will automatically show the actual name of the post or the page. Next thing we want to do is actually get rid of the example posts and pages and start to set up our own. So just to go back and remind you of what it looks like, you've got a sample home page which is showing this blog post here, and then you've got a sample page which kind of looks like this with a whole load of gobbledygook in there. So in order to change that, what we're going to do is go back to our dashboard, and we'll deal with the post first. To do that you want to go to the click on all posts, and you've got in there hello world, and when you hover over it you'll get this little menu coming up here, and what you want to do is click on trash. Once you've done that, you can return to the dashboard just by clicking at the top here, or you can simply select on the menu where you want to go next, in which case it could be pages. But for now, let's just go back to the dashboard, and you'll see now that what we want to look at is changing the page. To do that, basically we repeat the same thing. Go to the pages, hover over it where you've got sample page come up, click on trash. Once you've trashed it, we're going to add our new page, so click on add new. As an alternative, you can click on add new in the menu bar on the side here, that works as well. And then you basically set up your home page. So type in home there, and notice because we've set the permalinks, you've got home that comes up here. Type in some content and then click on publish, and then we've got our home page set up. Now there are a few extra things to do, and I'm going to cover those in the next video, so see you in the next video.